up, guys? It's Ruth, and this is how I do it solo. For today's video, we will be unboxing my brand new phone. But before we get into that, make sure that you are already subscribed to our channel. Like mo na rin tong video. So, ito na siya, guys.
Wow!
So, this is what we'll be unboxing today. Fresh from Shopee Express.
Sabihin mo lang, salamat Shopee!
This is a brand new iPhone 11 Pro.
What?
Na unbox natin. So, a little background lang muna before we open that. This used to be my phone. This is the iPhone 6s and I have been using it for 5 years na. And if you will look closely, guys, it's really beat up. Wala akong case. As in, sira na rin yung screen niya. May mga lines na po siya. So, parang nasira na yung LCD niya. I was really waiting for the iPhone 12. Pero, nasira na nga yung phone ko. And I really need a new one. Kasi my phone is my work. Kasi I post on Instagram. And I do my live streams. And I need my apps with me. So, yung sa iPhone 6s ko, hindi na talaga kinakaya yung memory, hindi na kinakaya yung workload ko. So, ayan, bumili na tayo ng bagong phone. Nabili ko to, guys, during the 8/8 flash deal. I bought it from Empire Gadgets. I will link it down below. So, yung original price nito sa listing niya is 79,000. This is the iPhone 11 Pro 256. Pero I just bought it for 59,000.
Wow!
And then, yung shipping niya, it's parang 600 plus, so almost 60,000. Pinaship lang to kahapon, and ayan, nandito na siya. Ang matagal lang is, I paid through bank transfer, and that took a while, parang 3 days. Yun lang talaga yung way para mabayaran ko siya kasi hindi kaya ng Shopee Pay, may limit. Hindi kaya ng GCash, may limit. Hindi kaya ng BPI ko, may limit. So, bank transfer lang. So, matagal yon 3 days. Pero, ayan, nandito na siya. We'll see. This is the Hong Kong version. It's the space gray. Ayan, so naka-bubble wrap siya with the sticker na fragile, standard. So, fragile siguro yun. And eto na siya. Oh my God! In the flesh!
Wow!
OMG, it's so pretty. Oh my God! So, ito na ang iPhone 11 Pro 256 gig. What up? Gano'n tayo? OMG, makapag-ML na ako. Finally! Guys, abangan nyo na. Magta-try kami mag-livestream ng games. So, let's open it. ASMR. Ooh. Should I bring you closer, guys? Let's open. Ta! Wow! So pretty. So nice. So it's matte. It's matte pala sa likod. Yan. Pero I also bought, guys, protective glass covers sa front and sa back. Let's see what's inside. So, this is Hong Kong version, guys. So, it comes with a cable. It's Type-C adapter niya. And we got some earpods. Sana AirPods na lang yung bibigay ni Apple. Let's peel off the cover. Should we peel it off? I'm scared. Oh, ang ganda nung lining. Compare natin dun sa aking phone. They're almost the same size. Mas malaki lang ng Untitled 11 Pro. And, syempre yung screen bigger kasi wala na yung parang white borders. And the camera, damn! Ito, liit lang ng camera and I use it sa aking mga stories before. Wow! Mag-upgrade na tayo sa ating mga stories at sa content, guys. Okay, i-on na natin. Mag-on kaya to? I see the Apple logo. pala. So, we swipe up. Do we swipe up? Okay, let's choose English. Oh, pinakita talaga lahat yun. English and Philippines. May Philippines ba dito? Baka inalis na. Ayan. Set up manually. Okay, yung ating Wi-Fi password. Yan. Okay, I have it here. Ay. Baka yung mga kapitbahay namin nanonood. So, sabihin yung password. Baka makikonnect sila. Ayan. Restore natin from iCloud. Dali, bilisan mo. Gusto ko na makita yung camera. Pakita natin sa inyo guys yung camera, yung portrait, yung telephoto, and yung wide. So, tatlo yung kanyang camera. So, meron yung normal, then telephoto, and then the wide. Okay, so it says, welcome to iPhone. Ayan, na-restore na natin, guys. And now, oh my God, it's just like my old phone with the pictures. Oh my gosh, nandito lahat yung pictures ko. Amazing. Ayan, nagda-download lang sa background yung apps. Let's check the camera. Whoa, it's so wide. Like, guys, you can see me. It's so wide. Hi. Aww. Okay, let's try some portrait. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, my face. Kitang-kita guys yung aking pores. Let's try sa front cam. Oh my God, so cute! Excited na ako guys mag-ML here. So ayan, ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung mga pictures and of course you'll see na ito na yung gagamitin ko on my stories, on my posts sa Instagram. So abangan nyo na lang yan. And that's it. Masasabi natin na legit bumili sa Shopee ng iPhone 11, 11 Pro. So, sobrang pinaghirapan ko to, guys. Sobrang pinag-ipunan ko to. And hindi lang siya isang bagsakan lang na ipon, as in matagal ko siyang inipon. And finally, it's here. Are you guys proud of me? And so, ayun, thank you so much for unboxing my new phone with me. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Ring yung bell. And we'll see you on our next video. Bye guys! Kailangan pala meron tayong photo shoot. Wow! Bye guys!